Welcome to Business Spotlight, everyone. I'm over here with Dr. Keith from Tier 1 Health and Wellness. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we've talked to your wife,
Yes,
your
we have.
wonderful wife,
Yep.
in regards to PRP for skin rejuvenation. Well, today, everyone, I wish I had the flowing hair because we are talking about PRP hair restoration. Now, how did this all come about? How did we find out that it was possible to do hair restoration with it?
Well, we've been using PRP for decades now for various injuries, for tissue repair and regeneration.
Really?
Absolutely.
So how did we realize that it was possible? Because we get such great results
We do.
with skin, correct?
We do.
But talk to me a little bit about the hair. How does that work? Because everyone, and I'll be honest with you, a lot of people feel once you're bald, you're bald.
Well, no, not necessarily. That's right. Well, platelets have powerful growth factors. There's at least 20 different growth factors in platelets, and once they're injected into the body, they'll regenerate skin, they'll regenerate hair follicles, and they help prevent hair loss.
Okay, so let's just talk a little bit about the process. We learned a little bit last time when we were discussing the skin rejuvenation,
Yes.
but just take a seat back for me so everyone at home can understand how you get the platelet-rich plasma.
Okay. Well, there are various methods to obtain platelet-rich plasma. We particularly use an advanced PRP, which is called liquid phase concentrated growth factor.
Okay.
So what we do is we obtain a person's blood, we'll spin it down in a very special centrifuge made in Italy, and it creates liquid phase concentrated growth factor. And what that is that's concentrating the platelets down to a very, very small volume, and that's then re-injected back into the patient.
Okay, so when we're re-injecting, I would assume when you discuss regarding the hair, we're not seeing a result tomorrow.
No. No, PRP with any application is a matter of months, not weeks.
Yes.
But you can typically start seeing some hair growth in 4 to 8 weeks, but not anything really in the mirror for probably 6 to 12 months.
Really?
Yes.
Now, how many treatments would I be using if I was to go down for the hair?
Well, typically you're going to do 3 treatments a month apart, followed by a follow-up treatment approximately 6 months after that. And then depending on the rate of hair loss, you can get follow-up treatments after that every 6 months to a year.
Really? Now, I also want to say, and full disclosure, you know, I was in the hair business for 20 years, and there are a lot of products out there on the market that, you know, say you can grow hair if you use this special shampoo or this special conditioner. With this PRP, it is your own natural blood.
It is.
That's what we love. Do we need to use any specific shampoos or conditioners
Not necessarily
or at-home
shampoos.
hair care?
Not necessarily shampoos and conditioners. There are certain medications you can utilize, but low-level laser light therapy is also one method to help regenerate hair. It works very well with PRP.
What's that?
It's where you red light, low laser light therapy. It's used and you apply it to your you can wear a helmet. They make various caps. And, it's
I have
utilized-
seen them.
Yes, and that's been proven in medical literature to actually grow hair as well.
I often wonder what that was when I've seen people using that
That's right.
on Instagram.
That's right.
That's where I find all my stuff.
That's right.
Okay, so the process, if someone was to come in, when we know we're doing it for the face, it's around about 45 minutes.
Correct.
Talk to me a little bit about the length of time I would need to put aside.
Well, about an hour.
Okay.
Depending on the degree of hair loss, we would, of course, draw the blood. It takes about 14, 15 minutes to spin
Okay.
down.
All right.
Okay, and then you've got about 10 to 20 minutes to utilize that concentrated growth factor that we use. Some people will actually activate their PRP. There's no need with our advanced PRP machinery that we have, and activating it, they'll utilize chemicals or animal or amniotic products, but we don't have to do that, and that is re-injected into areas of the skin where there's hair loss.
So we're talking about an hour, which is
About an
perfect
hour.
time. All right, we appreciate you coming in. Thank you so much. If you want to find out more information about PRP for your hair, there it all is up on the screen for you. T1 Health and Wellness.